Everlast has got a big name but a small footprint. Like I said, we've been here since late 60s. We are primarily a distribution arm for the company, but we also do some manufacturing. The manufacturing that we do is primarily with heavy bags. We do all the heavy bags for the company for the U.S. market. We also do the fighters outfits that you see the guys on TV and the ladies too. The largest part of our sales are to people interested in fitness. It's not the amateur boxer going on the weekend and boxing somewhere. It's not to the professional athlete. That's a very elite group. Punch testing, we do speed bag testing. We'll set up and do different kinds of testing. From a manufacturing perspective, what we do is fairly unique. It's unique enough that we have to build our own machines. So the skill set is trained on the job here. As far as the distribution side, it's a picking and packing type operation. Those skill sets are, they're not unique, but it still takes a little while to get people trained up to our processes. Over the years, I've hired, entire families. I've hired the mother, the father, the son, the daughter. I've had people here that have 30 plus years longevity with me. I've been here 25 years. Most of my staff have been here 15 years or more. Once I get my hooks into them, they tend to stay.